I'm sure you've heard the news. PCBs are everywhere. But how are they actually made? Let's break down the PCB manufacturing process in simple steps. First, it all starts with a design on a computer. Think of it as the blueprint for your circuit board. Next, we move to printing the design onto a copper-clad board. This is done using a special printer called a plotter. After printing, the board goes through etching. Etching removes unwanted copper, leaving behind the circuit pathways. Now it's time for drilling. Tiny holes are drilled where components will be placed. After drilling, we move on to plating. This step covers the drilled holes with a conductive material. Finally, the board is cleaned and tested for quality. Any mistakes? They get fixed before the board is ready for assembly. And that's it. Your PCB is ready to power up your next big idea. Contact computronicslab.com for any requirement on PCB designing or product manufacturing.